front entrance, the front door, the front closet. There is a hole in the wall here where maybe there was a light at some point, but it's just a hole now. There's the front entrance closet. This light works. The phone jack is a little loose. Not sure what this is. The mirror seems to be fine. And again, could stand till you get some painting, fresh paint, fixing up of a few spots here and there. And on to the front half bathroom. Orange paint, toilet seats a little warped, and lights, only one light bulb's working, but that's of course replaceable. And water seems to be fine, and storage underneath. This looks, this is a pipe here, open, not sure what that's for.